Hello, I am Dr. Hussain Iqbal. I am an orthodontist and dentofacial orthopedist. I am working with Cosmodent India Teeth and Dermal Spa. It's a center for advanced dentistry and cosmetology. It's located in the heart of the city in Frasertown, Bangalore. Who doesn't want whiter teeth? Especially when it's a known fact that a person's smile that is glowing and shimmery has such a long-lasting and deep interpersonal and professional impact. Now, to go into how the teeth can be whitened, one must first understand how the teeth get stained in the first place. Identifying the causative reason for teeth staining, targeting it and eliminating it is the stepping stone for the success of any teeth whitening procedure. Some of the reasons for the stained teeth are endogenous stains, exogenous stains, and the malformed teeth. Endogenous stains, where the stains have incorporated deeper into the layers of the teeth and they cannot be removed so easily. Exogenous stains, where the stains are more superficial in nature and they can be eliminated and removed quite easily. The third one is the most difficult one, where the tooth structure is malformed and pitted, and the stains that incorporate in such teeth are the most difficult and most resilient to be removed. The primary way to deal with the exogenous stains, which I said was relatively simpler to remove, is to clean the tooth surface thoroughly with professional help, with your dentist of course. This can be done with the help of ultrasonic scalers. Once the deposits and the debris are removed from the tooth surface, almost 50% of the solution has been met with. There are so many home remedies that have been suggested to whiten the teeth and remove the stains, like the use of strawberry, the use of sodium bicarbonate, the use of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal in particular has been a very promising agent in whitening the tooth. Activated charcoal binds and combines with the stains on the tooth and also the toxins on the tooth, and thus eliminates the stains from the tooth surface. But the ADA is yet to approve activated charcoal in any form of active treatment therapy. Bleaching is one of the most famous alternatives for whitening the tooth. With chemical compounds like carbamide peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, and so many other chemicals in the bleach, it's very promising and the results are really amazing when it comes to bleaching for exogenous stains and to an extent to endogenous stains also. There are two ways to bleach your teeth. First way is called in-office bleach. In this method, you require your dentist to perform the bleaching for you. This is a very important technique because your dentist will seal off the gums away from the bleaching solution. This way, the bleaching solution, which is highly concentrated, does not come in contact with the gum. In case if it comes in contact with the gum, there will be severe burning of the gum. As the agents used in this kind of bleaching solution are strong in nature, the advantage of this kind of bleach is that it brings about instant change in the shade of the teeth. That is why these bleaching solutions are used for important occasions like weddings, like important events, like meetings. Second type of bleaching solutions are called home bleaching kits. In these cases, a customized tray is fabricated as per the needs of each patient. They can take the tray home. It's a transparent tray and they can load the bleaching solution inside the tray and place in their mouth. This can be done in the comfort of their home and it's quite safe to handle, as the concentration of the bleaching solution is not much in such cases. That is why the effectiveness also is comparatively, compared to the in-office bleach, is slightly on the lower side. But again, bleaching is a very temporary solution. The results last for 8 months to 1 year only. Also, the teeth may become very sensitive if it is overdone. Therefore, professional supervision is advised. Always ask your dentist as to what kind of a bleaching solution will suit your needs. The solution that helps with extreme teeth malformations or pitting of the teeth is dental veneers or porcelain veneers, many a times called as indirect dental veneers. Now these are more stable and more concrete solutions for teeth whitening. There are thin layers of porcelain that are added to the tooth surface. This way, the white appearance of the teeth can be maintained throughout life and you can flaunt a celebrity smile forever.